Did you know that one of the biggest issues with pronouncing words in English is this, the schwa sound or the sound? This doesn't necessarily represent one letter in the alphabet, and it's found in many places and causes a lot of confusion among a lot of non-native speakers. We'll talk about why shortly. Before which, hi, I'm Ajit from Capshine. Capshine is a revolutionary Learn It Together English fluency program. With Capshine, learning English is easy, quick, fun, affordable, and effective, and we promise a whole new you in 6 months or less. So, what is this schwa sound? What does it sound like? And why is it important? Well, it's an English vowel sound. It is the sound, and it is represented by the phonetic symbol schwa, right? It is important because of the following reasons. It's one of the most common sounds of the English language. It makes you sound natural when you use it correctly, right? And it can be used in varying contexts, right? So it can be used in many of the vowel sounds, or rather it can replace many of the vowel sounds. It is an unstressed pronunciation. It is a relaxed tongue expression with relaxed jaw and relaxed lips. And of course, it's a quick sound. All of these can make it a little complicated because we're used to stressing the sounds that we make in a new language, right? So let's practice a few and let's see how it's used in different contexts. But before that, know that the schwa sound can be found in many words in different vowel sounds, or it can replace different vowels in words. For example, it can take the A form in sofa, or the E word in celebrate, or carrot, O in carrot, or I in principle. All of these use the schwa sound for the corresponding letters, and it can take any of these letters which are vowels, right? And that's what makes it very important. Before we go into a few examples, I want to quickly talk about the Capshine learning model. With this, you get access to speaking opportunities, you get to learn and practice as a group, you get a personalized coach and customized feedback, and live lessons and micro lessons that can help you build your English competency and become a confident user of the language. Let's look at a few examples, specifically where there is A and the schwa sound is found. Look at these two words, extra and data. So it's extra. Notice the sound extra, and data. Notice how the last sound for both of these, the final sound is very soft, it's free, it's not stressed. Data and extra. What about these words? Visa, notice the sound, and of course again, the beginning syllable is soft and free, again, the schwa sound, again. What about the letter E? There are many words that use E, where the E is replaced by the schwa sound as well. For instance, problem. Notice how the E sound is very soft, it's the sound again. Even. Notice the E replaced by the schwa sound. And of course, seven, and the. Notice how each of these words have the E replaced by the schwa sound. This is also true with some words which use the O. For example, today. Today is not today, of course, it's today. Notice the pronunciation, today, today. Soft, easy, Information. There's a sound in both the O's in information. This is paralleled again in words that sometimes use U, or rather words that use U, the sound replaces it. For example, product. Notice how the sound replaces the U there. Album. Notice how the second syllable is softer, it takes the sound as well. Dandruff and medium. All of this uses a very quiet, very soft sound that brings all the consonant sounds together in the end. And again, For someone who's not a native speaker, this can be quite challenging. But once you realize that this sound exists and it occurs in various contexts, it makes your life that much easier. Make sure you see part 2 of this video as well to know all the sounds, or rather all the letters that the sound replaces. If you like the video, make sure you like and subscribe. Don't forget to check out the 30-day free trial by going to capshine.com or downloading the app from the Play Store. Thanks for watching.